devotion. Call it a mom's adoration. Foundation, a special bond of creation. Ha! For all the single moms out there going through frustration. Clean Bandit, China Ball, and Marie thing make them air.
She works the nights by the water. She's gone astray, so far away from her father's daughter. She just wants a life for a baby. All on her own, no one will come. She's got to save him.
Daily struggle.
She tells him, ooh, love.
X times Y, kita boleh separate kan. Kalau darab, kita tak tambah. So jadi log AX plus log AY. Kalau X bahagi Y, so kita tolak pula. Sebab kalau darab tambah, bahagi tolak. So jadi log AX tolak log AY.
Log dia log AX N. X kan ada power dia N. So kita akan pindahkan power dia ke depan log. So dia akan jadi N log A. Yang untuk yang kedua jadi log A N. So macam biasa kita pindahkan power dia ke depan. So dia akan jadi N log A. Macam kita tahu bila log base dengan number sama, dia akan jadi 1. So dia akan jadi N darab dengan 1, dia akan jadi N. Log E4 over log E2. So log E2 kita akan jadi in4 over in2. Kenapa in? Sebab ikut kalkulator. So dia akan jadi 1.386 over 0.693 equal to 2. Log 5x equal to log 5 square. So square ni kan kuasa kita pindahkan kat depan, dia akan jadi log 5x over log 2 over 2 log 5. Jadi P over 2.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Macam ni kita nak selesaikan. How can we solve it? Yes, we have to samakan base dia dulu. So, we are using the same base, which is 3. So, once base dia dah sama, we just keluarkan power dia, and then we get a new equation. Samakan base dia. So, we are using the base 2. So, apa yang tak sama kat atas tadi is 2. So, you just tukar 2 kat atas tadi, 2 log 2 4. Then, once dia punya base dah sama, so you already know the law, kita dah belajar before ni, is log tambah it will be automatic jadi darab. So kita just bomb log 2 and then we get y equals to 4x minus 8. Then we get a new equation again, which is equation 4. Yeah. This masukkan je the value of y, and then we expand, and just gerak-gerakkan je, and then we get the answer. We get the value for x. is x equals to 5 over 2. Yes. Then lastly we get the answer for y. So the conclusion here is x equals to 5 over 2 and y equals to 2.